so excited. My magical butter machine package arrived. It clearly was not shipped with love because the boxes are all jacked up, but hopefully the insides are cool. My gummy trays. Let's see what else. My measuring cups. Look at the box, child. What else is in here? My D-card box. This butter tray, definitely need that. And this baby, this is what we're all here for. Girl, I was not expecting you to be this big. Like, why this box so big? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's see what's all in here. Okay, got my little safety glove there. I don't know what this is called, but like, you know, I don't know. Let's see if it's up here. No. But like to strain, like a strainer. Oh, filter. And the machine. Oh, this is so exciting. Honestly, I didn't know it was gonna give me this much anxiety. I don't know why it is. I'm really excited I have it. Maybe because I'm getting my oven service this week, so I will wait till this next weekend to open everything. Actually, no, I'm gonna open it now just in case. No, I'm not. I lied. So I will be opening everything next weekend just to make sure it's all cool. And then once my oven is serviced on Monday, then we can start doing little test trials. I'm so excited. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I just wanted to do an unboxing of the Magical Butter Chef Bundle. I ordered about $275. I got a discount because it was $420, so it's been a while. I haven't really used them. I didn't even open the boxes, but I now have all of the ingredients to make my first edible. So I'm going to unbox everything and gonna do some baking tonight. So the chef bundle comes with, of course, the magical butter machine, as well as these like butter trays, silicone, as well as, oh, it's 2 packs in here of the gummy trays to make your own like little chocolates or little gummies. I'll be doing chocolate. And measuring cups. This comes with the D-card box, which is very important. That's the whole point of ordering the chef bundle, because you need to decarb your herbs before putting them in here. So I mean, of course you can do the old-fashioned way, throw it in the oven, but there is a scientific method to it that this helps you do it easier, and I'm all about easy. And I'm no scientist, so let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna, of course, sanitize and clean all these before I use them today. All right. Okay, I'm a little scared because it should come with, okay, it's in here. I'm gonna say, it's so light. Wow, this thing is so light. I did not even feel the thermometer in there. Sorry, let me move all this stuff out the way. So here is the lid. It has like the little hole. Oh wow, it's so tight. That is so cool. I mean, you literally cannot see the hole like on the lid. But put the little hole for your thermometer in there if I can get it out. Yes, I'm so excited. I feel like a real scientist. And this is just, wow, this made it feel so light. So there we go. That's all in there. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared because I haven't, oh, my booklet broke. I'm hoping everything's in here because that was $420. It's like May 30th today. So I believe I'm out of the return window if something's wrong with this order. But it looks like everything's in here. Okay, cool. The 2 medium, it says 8 ml gummy trays. There's 2 of them, but what I really like about these silicone trays is they have lids. Like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. I can stack these together like in the freezer when I make my chocolates. Not sure why you would need that little hole at the top to put this over. Maybe you can pour your stuff in there and it automatically fills. That doesn't make sense though, because that's just, well, to me that, to me that would be just lazy. Like you can still just pour it in here. And yeah, so I don't know. That's cool. Let's see, they're both the same. Now onto the measuring cups. Honestly, I didn't need the measuring cups. I got so many there with measuring cups. But I know I'm gonna do a lot of their recipes. So I said I should probably use whatever tools they use when it comes to sizing. And they had a size that I didn't have, so I was like, okay, that can work. Cool. So 3 measuring cups. Once again, Team Silicone. Oh, this is amazing. Made with love by Magical. Oh. All right. Oh, that's what it was. A lot of these are like in ounces as well as cups, which I really, really like. And milliliter on the other side. Okay, cool. So we got that. And now, the butter tray, which I'm gonna use today. Oh, I almost had a heart attack. I'm like, there's 2 in there? Same thing, it has that little hole. I'm assuming maybe, no, because when I make my chocolate, it don't be that hot. I don't know why these little holes are at the top. I mean, you can cover it, but I just don't know the purpose. Maybe it's something with decarbing. Like it's best to be, listen guys, I'm new here. Oh my gosh, so cool. So with, I'm gonna get closer. Which I do this, like when you mold, when it comes out on the mold, it'll say Magical on it, but I just noticed like they break down the butter, it says 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you're baking or whatever, you know what portion of butter to use. Not just getting stuck with a stick of butter, is measurements on the butter. Oh, wow, duh. I could just flip it over for you guys. Oh, it's still backwards for you guys, I guess, technically, because of the camera, sorry. So we got that with the lid, boom, boom, boom. And now, what we really came here for. And now I'm glad I took my time ordering this. One, because I got the deal for $4.20. So if you want, wait for $4.20. They might be doing that same deal for Memorial Day. I keep getting emails from them regarding Memorial Day discounts, so double check. For a fact, I paid $275 for this kit. So if you want, wait till next year. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh, this is so fun opening. I thought it was gonna be like a regular box. I was wondering all the stickers on both sides. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Magical butter. Machine cooking certified. Y'all, I am so excited. I waited for this for a long time. Machine, guys. The cord. Your girl was definitely in here talking by herself. Didn't even notice the camera stopped recording. But the machine. It came with a glove in that box as well. I was worried about the glove because I have big hands, but it's a huge glove. And then it comes with your strainer. Mine says Purity Filter 190. There's different types of filter bags, but this one is best for everything that I need to do. I'm pretty sure when I get into making my own cosmetics with THC and stuff like that, I'll need a different strainer, but for now, edibles, this is fine. And it'll be really hot when it comes out the machine and strain with your glove. Honestly, it's so big, it feels weird, but it may be because it's like a versatile glove, both left and right-handed, I don't know. As well as it came with the plug in there and a owner's manual and a cookbook. So got the cookbook, which I'm gonna be in here. So excited. Ooh, limoncello. Ooh, ketchup. I've been eating ketchup a lot lately, so that just made me really excited, as well as salsa and chips. I have so much chips. Okay, this is gonna be fun. The decar box came with an owner's manual as well. Unfortunately, mine is like a little ripped up, but that's cool. And then the owner manual for this. So I'm gonna sanitize, wash all of this, and then come back and bake. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm going to actually tell you guys that on my next video. So this is not sponsored. This is not an ad. They're not paying me. This is just your neighborhood stoner. Mwah. Letting you guys know. This is just your neighborhood stoner excited about this product. I've always wanted to use it. I'm sick of paying money For edibles, I have a plant-based diet, so when I eat edibles, I'm technically, majority of the time, cheating on my diet because most people are making their butter with things that I don't ingest in my body or that just isn't part of the plant-based way. So like it's a struggle. It's a struggle. I'm trying to think, what did I order recently? Oh, like rice. So, and that's the other thing. So say if they make a plant-based butter, right? Which technically they are plant-based, like any butter you make should be technically, I guess not, because some people buy, nope, that's what it is. Some people buy sticks of butter and then add their herbs. So most likely they're buying a dairy version of butter, then making their products, because most chefs aren't plant-based when they're making their edibles. And then I get stuck with my options like, oh, we have Snickers, we have brownies, we have, okay, that's cool, but then when y'all bake y'all brownies, y'all are putting cow's milk in it, so it's just like, So usually that'll be my cheat, but I don't want to cheat just to eat an edible, and I really don't like cheating unless I'm going on vacation or something like that. I'm okay with cheating on my diet here and there, and then I do a serious cleanse, but it's very rare that so now I don't have to do that anymore. I can make everything myself. So exciting. So I will see you guys later when I make some goodies. Oh yeah, one last thing. This is the top lid of the magical butter machine. So all your little temperature and options. It ranged from no heat to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. It cleans itself. Like, oh, this is awesome. You literally just hit the button for whatever you're making. So 1 is for oil, 2 is for butter, 4 is for tinctures, 8 it just says 8 hours, so I'm not sure what you would be making with that, but excited on this journey. Okay, one more thing before I let y'all go. I just finished washing and sanitizing everything, even the cores. Can y'all believe after spending $275, they did not have batteries included? I had to put my own AAA batteries in there. I mean, it's only 2 that you need, but it's like, bruh, y'all could have got some from the dollar store, hooked the play up. I just spent $275.